Good morning, everybody. Welcome to MedX channel. Today we are going to talk about and discuss the branches of external iliac artery and the tributaries of external iliac vein. Okay, so don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. And let's start. This is the pelvic bone. This is the vertebral column, and this is the ribs. Okay, we need to put a bony mark because the bony mark are always fixed, so we can discuss the course of any artery around the fixed areas like the bones. Okay, let's start. This is the left external iliac artery, and this is the right external iliac artery. This is the left external iliac vein, and this is the right external iliac vein. This is the left inferior epigastric artery, and this is the right inferior epigastric artery. This is the left inferior epigastric vein, and this is the right inferior epigastric vein. This is the left superficial epigastric artery, and this is the right superficial epigastric artery. This is the left superficial epigastric vein here, and this is the right superficial epigastric vein. This is the left superior epigastric artery, and this is the right superior epigastric artery. This is the left superior epigastric vein, and this is the right superior epigastric vein. If we zoomed in here, we will see that this is all branches of external iliac artery. Here's the external iliac artery. This is the inferior epigastric artery, and this is superficial epigastric artery. Okay, this is the right external iliac. This is the left external iliac, and those are the tributaries from the external iliac here. Okay, and here above in those area, if we zoomed in, this is superficial epigastric artery and vein, and this is both in the right side and left side. So I hope you got benefit from this video to see the course of and the branches of the tributaries and of external iliac vein and the branches of external iliac artery. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.